Hi! To proceed with this course, you will need to work on an Oracle database. I have explained how to set up Oracle database into your computer in another lecture. You can download and install the Oracle database with using the other video, but some of the students had some problems on the installation or after that. These problems are generally based on their computer's properties, so there have been lots of questions about this issue, but it is hard to solve all these without looking at the computer itself, because the problem may occur about hundreds of reasons. So I created a virtual disk image that includes a completely running database in it. With using this virtual image, you will have no problems about the database. Besides, this image works in all operating systems. If you are using Mac or Linux, you need to use VirtualBoxes. The only thing you need to do in here is to follow the instructions carefully. If you can install the image correctly, the database will work 100% perfectly. To work with VirtualBox images, your computer needs to have at least 17 GB of free disk space and 2 GB of RAM. If your computer does not have these, I recommend you to pass to the other video that explains how to download and install Oracle database into your computer directly. But if there is, I recommend you to install the database with how I explained in this video. So, in this lecture, I will show you how to download and install the VirtualBox and the image including the database. First, you need to download and install Oracle VirtualBox. You can download this either from the Oracle's website or from the link that exists under this video. I recommend you to install from the link below this video. If you want to download the VirtualBox from the site, let's open up our browser and write download Oracle VirtualBox into our browser. Click on the link of Oracle's itself. If you are using Windows, click on the Windows installer in here. If not, you can select your VirtualBox suitable with your operating system. There are a lot of VirtualBoxes in here. It's completely free. You do not need to sign in for this. You can just click on this link and download it. In either way, now you have a VirtualBox installer. I have downloaded it before. It's on my desktop. One thing you need to do for Windows is just click on this exe file. Now what I do is next and next. Just next and next and next. And install easily. You do not need to change anything for simple installation. Now let's finish it. Now I have a VirtualBox running on my computer. So let's close this now. Before starting, I need to say something. There are virtual machine images on Oracle's website, including Oracle Database 12c for this VirtualBox. I will show you how to download it too, but it's a very heavy image. Your computer may not run this easily. All of these students' computers may not be very strong. Because of that, I created a more lightweight image including database 11G and put the link below this video. You can click and easily download this image. I recommend you to use this image. It will work better than Oracle's itself. However, you may want to import Oracle's disk image since it has database 12c. So how we download the image from Oracle's website? Let's open up our browser again and write download Oracle pre-built virtual machine. Click on the link of Oracle's itself. There are lots of images in this page, but you will download the database app development VM image. And it is in here. So just click on the download link in here. And now you need to accept the license agreement as always. Now we need to click on this download link in here, database developer virtual machine. You need to have an Oracle account and sign in from here, or you can create a new one from here. When you sign in, the download will start immediately. I have downloaded it, so I will show you how to import it too. Now we have an image in our desktop. We can continue. Let's open the VirtualBox now and import the image that I added under this video. Let me show you the image in my desktop. This is the image that I have downloaded from Oracle's website, and this is the image that I have put the link under this video. So I recommend you to import this image. So now I'm opening the VirtualBox again and File and Import Appliance. It's so simple. File and Import Appliance. So now I need to select the disk image from my desktop. Click on this folder image in here and select the Oracle VM with database file and open. Now next, you can change the name in here. You can easily click on the import without changing the name. Now I'm pausing the video and I will continue when something happens. It has finished importing, so what I need to do in here is just click on this and press the start button in here. Now I am opening my virtual disk image. If you do not have a full screen resolution in the first usage, just restart again. Now I'm waiting for the operating system to start. As we can see, I have the full screen resolution in here. If you do not have, just press this and restart. I will show you how to shut down this operating system. Just waiting. The username is Oracle and the password is Oracle 2. Let's close these hints. Now, I have an operating system including the Oracle database completely running. So just close this window and click on this SQL developer icon in here. Just close this tip too and click this icon in here and select OK and wait. If you have this empty page without any error, that means you have a completely running database now. So I will show you how to use SQL Developer and SQL codes in our next lessons. So let's close this for now. Just click on this and send the shutdown signal and OK. Now I am shutting down the operating system running in my VirtualBox. Now, I said that there are two disk images, so let's import the second one. Just click on the file and import applins in here and select the second disk image, which is developer state and something more. Just select this and open and next and import and agree. Now I'm pausing the video again. I will continue when it finishes. Now it has finished, so I'm selecting the Oracle DB developer and click on the start in here. Now I will pause the video again. I do not do anything until it starts. I will continue when it finishes. As you can see, I have started the operating system, but it is not full screen, so I need to just shut down and restart again. And click on this icon and just restart. If this does not work just like in here, what I need to do in here is just click on this and send shutdown signal and then start it again. Now it is full screen, so I'm closing this. And we can say view and full screen mode in here and switch. Now I have a completed full screen operating system, and what I need to do in here is just click on the SQL developer in here. It's still continuing to open. Because it's very heavy, I recommend you to use the other VirtualBox image. I opened 2 times, so I'm closing one of it. Now it has opened, so I just click on this now and OK. The password is Oracle. Now if you see this empty page too, your SQL Developer and Oracle database works perfectly. So what we can do in here is just close VirtualBox. Actually, downloading and importing the virtual disk image is very easy. Oracle made a great job on this. What you easily do is just next and next. If you have any problems, it must be about your computer's properties. You may not have enough space or something. If you cannot succeed in any way, try to install the database directly into your computer with following the other installation video. If you cannot succeed in this way too, you can ask me with discussion board or message. I will try to solve your problem. Okay, I hope you will learn a lot. This is the end of this lesson. See you in our next lessons.